Welcome to Ito Campus, home of Kyushu University since September 2018. Our journey begins at the gates of Kyushu University, which are adorned by the calligraphy of Koji Kakinuma, before continuing on a bird's-eye tour of campus. Ito Campus is vast, stretching approximately 272 hectares across Fukuoka and Itoshima City, and is divided into 3 zones: East, Center, and West. Our first stop will be the East and Center zones. The circular shape of Shiki Hall is a defining feature of Ito Campus. A gift from Mr. Masakazu Shiki on the centennial of Kyushu University, it is an impressive 100 meters in diameter and houses the university's central administrative offices. There is also a 3,000-seat concert hall inside, which hosts matriculation and commencement, as well as special lectures and many other functions and events. East of Shiki Hall is the Central Library, the centerpiece of the East Zone. This massive 4-story structure sits just beneath the East Zone and can hold 3.5 million volumes, making it one of the largest libraries in the country. Its soaring ceiling, seen from the reading room, is an impressive sight to behold. The roof of the library sits at ground level, on top of which stand East Zones 1 and 2, housing faculties in the humanities and social sciences. At the top of East Zone 1 is the exhibition and observation room of the Ishigahara Tumulus, which commands excellent views of the entire campus. The facades of buildings in the East Zone are inspired by the traditional Hakataori textile patterns native to Fukuoka. A number of world-leading research facilities are located here and include the International Institute for Carbon Neutral Energy Research, the Next Generation Fuel Cell Research Center, and the research facilities for co-evolutional social systems. Plenty of collaborative spaces and mechanisms are built into the architecture to encourage interaction between and across the disciplines. Ito Harmony House is the largest student residence on campus and houses around 600 students, many of them international. On a clear day, East Zone 1's observation deck provides spectacular views of Fukuoka Tower and the Fukuoka Yafuoku Dome. The campus incorporates universal design principles that take wheelchair accessibility into consideration. 2 kilometers of sheltered walkways, sky bridges, and elevators connect the East and West zones to bring a sense of unity to the entire campus. There are 3 on-campus student residences in addition to Ito Harmony House, which together house nearly 1,200 students. The spacious Ito Guest House is one of the largest buildings of its kind in the country, providing 2,000 square meters of accommodation for international researchers on extended stays. Built with the environment in mind, Ito Campus has its own water supply center, which supplies 60% of all drinking water on campus. Center Zone 3 is home to the Faculty of Arts and Science, while Center Zone 4 houses the Administration Bureau. In the middle of the Center Zone is a pine tree transplanted from Hakozaki campus and a bust of founding President Kenjiro Yamakawa, a gift from his hometown of Aizu Wakamatsu in Fukushima Prefecture. Both tell of Kyushu University's past and keep a watchful eye over its future. Big Orange is the university's information center, named for the area's long history of growing mandarin oranges. Here you can find souvenirs and local specialties for sale. Center Zones 1 and 2 are where first-year undergraduate students from every faculty come to study. Classrooms dominate these buildings, and their facades welcome incoming students with their simple colors and designs, which blend in with the surrounding landscape. The campus mall, which sits between the buildings, is bustling with students and is lined with student-run shops during the annual University Festival. The Ito Clinic is located nearby for the medical needs of students, faculty, and local residents alike. Teiteisha House was a student meeting space on the former Ropponmatsu campus and has been reconstructed on Ito campus with charitable donations from alumni and the university co-op. Athletic facilities in the center zone include a gymnasium, heated swimming pool, and multi-purpose sports field with artificial turf to keep students, faculty, and staff active and healthy. Now our tour moves on to the West Zone, home to the faculties of Agriculture, Science, and Technology. West Zone 1 is home to the university's math and science departments. The Science and Technology Library contains a comprehensive natural sciences collection with over 1.2 million volumes. Supercomputer System Ito, which boasts world-class processing power, is located here in the Research Institute for Information Technology. The departments of Engineering and Information Systems are located in West Zones 2, 3, and 4. In addition to the Foucault Pendulum in West Zone 2 and the outdoor earth art installation Chao, the West Zone is alive with artworks lining the entrance halls of each building. The building exteriors are the same color as the facade of the old School of Engineering on Hakozaki campus, a nod to the subject's long history at Kyushu University. Departments related to agriculture are located in West Zone 5. Tracts of arable land and test facilities have been created in the vast southern part of campus for experiments into the future of agriculture. Fields have also been built for agricultural research into the terrain in the eastern and northern reaches of campus. The idyllic countryside of Itoshima and the Sefuri Mountains are a calming sight, clearly visible from the south side of West Zone 5. Head northwest from the south gate to find the extracurricular zone. The West Zone is equipped with plenty of sports facilities, including an athletics field, small gymnasium, Japanese archery range, Western archery range, and training gym. The Biodiversity Conservation Zone was designed as a green space for natural conservation to protect rare indigenous flora and fauna. A wildlife crossing has been built beneath the roads to allow animals free passage between otherwise divided sections of campus. From West Zone 2 to the north side of West Zone 4, there are research facilities for hydrogen energy and other leading-edge areas of science and technology. As the saying goes, all work and no play makes for dull research, and that is why the Academic Lantern, Kyushu University's own gastropub, has been an integral part of Ito campus since its inception. The Hydrogen Station at Kyushu University is a world leader in hydrogen technology development and is expected to make significant contributions in the field. The Ultra Microscopy Research Center is a joint research facility that houses the world's only high-voltage electron microscope, equipped with an in-column Omega-type energy filter and SDD-type X-ray detector. The Inamori Center was built on the eve of Kyushu University's centennial, with substantial support from Kazuo Inamori, the president of the Inamori Foundation. The Jonathan K. S. Choi Cultural Center of Japan was built with donations from Dr. Jonathan Choi, chairman of the Hong Kong-based Tsunhua Group, to promote education and research exchange in the fields of East Asian history and culture. Amid the rich natural landscape of the Itoshima Peninsula, Kyushu University is ready to take on the next century of cutting-edge research and innovative education, right here at Ito Campus.